Hello students, welcome to maths class. Last class we have been completed up to the question number 12 in exercise 3.2. So today I am going to discuss from the 13th question, and the question is, here he has given that the matrix fx and we need to show that fx plus fy is equals to f of x plus y. So this question is important for 3 marks. Annual exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So to prove this equation, let us consider LHS. So what is LHS of the given equation here? Consider LHS. So LHS is matrix fx into fy. Matrix fx is given cos x minus sin x and 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 into matrix fy. So fy matrix is obtained by replacing x by y in fx matrix. Therefore fy matrix is equals to cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So we need to prove that product of these two matrices is equal to the matrix f of x plus y, and the matrix f of x plus y equal to we need to replace x by x plus y in the matrix fx. So f of x plus y matrix is equal to cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. So now which is equal to, so product of these two matrices, first row first column cos x into cos y minus into plus minus sin x sin y 0 into 0 plus 0, so no need to write. And first row second column cos x into minus sin y minus cos x into sin y minus sin x into cos y minus sin x into cos y plus 0 into 0, no need to write. And now first row third column cos x into 0, 0 minus sin x into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, so 0 minus 0 plus 0, first row third column. And now second row first column sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y, cos x into sin, and 0 into 0 is 0. Second row second column sin x into minus sin y minus sin x into sin y plus cos x into cos y plus cos x into cos y plus 0 into 0, 0. And now second row third column sin x into 0, 0 cos x into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 0. Third row first column 0 into cos y 0 plus 0 into sin y 0 plus 1 into 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Third row second column 0 into minus sin y 0 plus 0 into cos y 0 plus 1 into 0, 0. Third row third column 0 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 1. Now this matrix is equal to, so cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is the formula for cos of x plus y. First year trigonometric functions chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y is equal to what? Cos of x plus y. And in this term, if I take minus as a common, minus cos x sin y becomes plus cos x sin y, and minus sin x cos y becomes plus sin x cos y. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಓದಿ ನೋಡಿ, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is the formula for sin of x plus y. So minus as it is sin of x plus y. This is equals to 0. And here sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is the formula for sin of x plus y. Here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is the formula for cos of x plus y, and this term is equal to 0, 0. And here 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So you may observe here this matrix is equal to f of x plus y, and which is our required RHS. I hope all of you understood. You may observe here this matrix is obtained by replacing x by x plus y in the matrix fx. Cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0. Sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0. 0, 0, 1. Hence this matrix is equal to f of x plus y. And hence we prove that fx into fy is equal to f of x plus y matrix. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note. Now the 14th question. So in this 14th question there are just two questions, and both are similar questions. First question I am marking, second question take it as assignment. So in this first question we need to show that product of these two matrices is not equal to product of these two matrices. So let's start the solution. So product of these two matrices, first row first column 5 into 2 10 minus 1 into 3 minus, first row second column 5 into 1 5 minus 1 into 4 minus 4, second row first column 6 into 2 12 7 into 3 21, second row second column 6 into 1 6 plus 7 into 4 28. And similarly product of these two matrices, first row first column 2 into 5 10 1 into 6 6, first row second column 2 into minus 1 minus 2 1 into 7 7, second row first column 3 into 5 15 plus 4 into 6 24, second row second column 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 into 7 28. So this matrix is equal to 10 minus 3 7, 5 minus 4 1, 12 plus 21 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, 28 plus 6 34. And this matrix is equal to 10 plus 6 16, 7 minus 2 5, 15 plus 24 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 1 3, 28 minus 3 25. And you may observe here both of these two matrices are not equal. I hope all of you understood. And take this question number 2 as assignment. If possible, take a note. Now the question number 15. Here he has given that matrix A and we need to find A square minus 5A plus 6i. Let's start the solution. To find the matrix A square or to find this quantity, first we need to find the matrix A square. And the matrix A square is obtained by multiplying the matrix A with A. Therefore, A square is equal to first A square matrix na find out ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So A square is equal to matrix A is given by 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 into matrix A into 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0. Therefore, matrix A square is equal to first row first column 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 1 into 1 1. First row second column 2 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 into minus 1 minus. First row third column 2 into 1 2 0 into 3 0 1 into 0 0. Second row first column 2 into 2 4 1 into 2 2 3 into 1 3. Second row second column 2 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 3 into minus 1 minus. Second row third column 2 into 1 2 1 into 3 3 3 into 0 0. Similarly third row first column 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 0 into 1 0. Third row second column 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 0 into minus 1 0. Third row third column 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 0 into 0 0. Therefore, matrix A square is equal to 4 plus 1 5 0 minus 1 minus 1. This is 2. This is equal to 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 3 9 1 minus 3 minus 2 2 plus 3 5 2 minus 2 0 minus 1 1 minus 3 is minus. This is the required matrix A square. Now let us consider A square minus 5A plus 6i is equal to matrix A square is equal to 5 minus 1 2 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 5 9 minus 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 into A matrix. A matrix is 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 1 3 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 plus 6 into I matrix. So I matrix is identity matrix or unit matrix. So when we are discussing about types of matrices unit matrix or identity matrix are always denoted by capital letter I. So here I is one of the unit matrix and the order of this unit matrix is same as the order of the matrix A. Therefore, the unit matrix I is given by 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So which is equal to 5 minus 1 2 as it is, 9 minus 2 5 as it is, 0 minus 1 minus 2 as it is, minus 5 into 2 10, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 1 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 5 into 0 0, plus 6 into this matrix, 6 1 is 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6, 6 into 1 6, 6 into 0 0, 6 into 0 0, similar. And now which is equal to 5 minus 10 minus 5, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 9 minus 10 minus 1, minus 2 minus 5 minus 7, 5 minus 15 is minus 10, 0 minus 5 is minus 5, minus 1 minus into minus plus, so minus 1 plus 5 is 4, minus 2 minus 0 is minus. Difference of these two matrices completed. Now plus 6 0 0 0 6 0 and 0 0 6, which is equal to addition of these two matrices. Minus 5 plus 6 is 1, minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3, minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1, minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1, minus 10 plus 0 is minus 10, minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5, 4 plus 0 is 4, minus 2 plus 6 is 4, and this is the required matrix A square minus 5A plus 6i. I hope all of you understood. If possible, take a note.